Hi guys, today I'm going to have visitors, my sister and her special cats, Amanda and the naughty cats, Gucci and Lindo. I'm going to do unboxing. Cutie Pie, Wendy, come, you be friends with him. Now you're gonna have friends, Wendy, come. Here's the first box. It's a giant one. First, let's remove this piece of tape. Now let's open it. Here's the bottom piece. There's some parts in there. And here's the roof. There's nothing else in there. This is the roof. This is where the cats go in, and here's where there's supposed to be a drawer. It should be in here. Here's this. It looks like a thing.
It's a strainer.
It's a strainer. Here's the drawer. First, let's put the drawer in here. Right. You shake it and you do this. Now let's put here. Now this is where it goes. Let's put the locks on now. There's two on this side. This one doesn't want to close. I'll try putting it out. Now it's ready. Let's put the drawer in. This is how it looks. The cat goes through here, and then when it's done, you just shake it, then you take the drawer out, then you put it in the garbage, then you re-put it.
Like this one.
That's how it works.
Like
You
this.
do like this, and then you put it back, and then when it's back, you just take it out. And then you do this on top of the trash can, then you just put it back in. Let's open this. This is for this. We have to open it. Here it is. This is big.
Just go under it.
It goes under. That sounds so nice opening it. It sounds like a bubble wrap popping. This is under it. There's this plastic thing under it. This is the bottom, and this is the top. This is how it works. It's goes like this. And my cat is watching me. Now let's open the small boxes. Look, my cat Cutie Pie was trying to open it here and also here. And he tried to open this one too. Let's see what's in this one.
Cute.
Oh, good. I'm going to open it. Got it. This is all of it inside. It's this. Let's open the other now. I'll put this one. Plastic air bubbles, more. Another box in a box. Fancy seafood. Fancy Philippines. And what's in this one? Let's see. There's something in here. I'm opening the other box. What's in here? More Fancy Feast. It is Fancy Feast. There's 2 6-packs in here. This is what we got. This box had the most stuff. The good music and my sister and the naughty cats, Gucci and Lindo, and my sister Mama's coming back because I missed them because they used to be here and they're coming from Toronto today. My cat is in the litter box right now. My cat likes these, so I'll give him one of these. Want this, Cutie? I'm going to make a video after of how his reaction is with the 3 of them together. Cutie Pie, what are you doing in there? Cutie Pie, how are you going to feel? You're going to have 2 new friends today at night. This litter box is by Omega Paw. And the food is by Nutro. And all the tunas by Fancy Feast. Cutie Pie. This he likes playing with, and so he'll play with this one. To open the lid, you unlock these like that. Then you just lock it to put it back on. Right, this is not yours. This is for Gucci and Lindo. He's smiling in there. Want this? For today, hope you guys liked it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Bye guys.